waves rolling in, the sun starts to rise, golden sand beneath our feet, paradise in our eyes. Laughter fills the air as we stroll hand in hand, creating precious moments in this wonderful land. Horizon paints a picture, a canvas so divine. Every step we take, a treasure I'll call mine. Family gather close, hearts singing in tune. These Hawaiian nights beneath the silver moon. What a wonderful vacation as memories unfold. Together we're invincible through the warmth and the cold. Thank you, Honolulu photographer, for capturing light, every smile and every tear, painting our delight in this tropical paradise. Our love's the centerpiece, holding tight to these days. May our joy never cease. We gathered on the shoreline, shells scattered like dreams, building up our castles while time gently gleams. The kids splash in the ocean, laughter echoing wide, each wave crashing softly like the tide's tender guide. From sunrise to sunset, every moment we embrace in the arms of the waters. We found our perfect place. We'll remember the sunset, painting skies with a hue. Every memory crafted, I'll always find you. What a wonderful vacation as memories unfold. Together we're invincible through the warmth and the cold. Thank you, Honolulu photographer, for capturing light, every smile and every tear, painting our delight in this tropical paradise. Our love's the centerpiece, holding tight to these days. May our joy never cease. Underneath those palm trees, we dance with the breeze, whispers of aloha, bringing hearts to their knees. Every click of a shutter, a moment held dear. In the heart of Hawaii, there's nothing we fear. We've woven our stories like the stars in the night. In the fabric of family, we found pure delight. As the journey winds down and we gather our things, with a suitcase full of memories and the joy that it brings. Home may be calling, but these days will stay bright in the echoes of laughter and the warmth of the light. We'll revisit these treasures wherever we roam, for Hawaii's our haven, our heart's second home. So here's to the moment me.